class, today I will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 13, verbs. So let us understand the meaning of verbs. Verbs in Hindi is called kriya. Verbs को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? क्रिया. Okay. Words that tell us what someone or something is doing are called verbs. So what do you understand by verbs बेटा? ऐसे words जो हमें कोई कार्य करने के बारे में बताते हैं, that are known as verbs. Words that tell us what someone or something is doing are called verbs. Okay. We also call them doing or action words. Verbs को हम लोग और कैसे जानते हैं? Doing words और action words. कोई जो कार्य होता है या किया जाता है, that are known as verbs. In Hindi we say kriya. See the example. Example number 1. Ducks swim in the water. Ducks swim in the water. So here swim is your what? It is a verb, and ducks swim in the water is मतलब ducks तैरते हैं, तो तैरना is what? A verb. कोई action हो रही है. Coming to example number 2. Tom plays with his robot in the evening. So plays is your verb. That means Tom खेलता है. So plays is a action word. कुछ कार्य हो रहा है, वो खेल रहा है. That means it is a verb. Now coming to A part, object of a verb. Okay, object of a verb. See the example. Example number 1. The gardener waters the plant. The gardener waters the plants. Example number 2. Saurav reads a book. Saurav reads a book. Example number 3. The mango fell down from the tree. The mango fell down from the tree. Check the words underlined. Check the words in example number 1, 2 and 3. The gardener waters the plants. Saurav reads a book. The mango fell down from the tree. So in these 3 sentences, what are the words underlined? See, the plants, a book, down from the tree. So let's move ahead. The above sentences have subject and objects. This is a very important note. The above sentences, these 3 sentences, we are talking about these 3 sentences, are having what? Subjects and object. यानी एक subject भी है और आपका object भी है. Okay. Now what do you mean by object? Object are words that directly or indirectly receives the action of the verb. या तो directly या तो indirect way में action को receive करता है. It also add to the meaning of the verb. मतलब हमें एक sentence में proper meaning, एक proper sense provide करता है. Okay. See the example. If you see the example, the gardener waters the plant. If you ask the question to yourself, so what the gardener waters? Your answer will be the plants. Come to the second example. Saurav reads a book. If you ask the question again, what Saurav reads? So your answer will be a book. Your answer will be a book. Now coming to example number 3. The mango fell down from the tree. So if you ask the question to yourself, your answer will be what? Where the mango fell? Your answer will be down from the tree. So the plants, a book, down from the tree are added to the verbs waters, reads, fell respectively. यानी कि the gardener waters the plants, Saurav reads a book, the mango fell down from the tree. So these words are called objects. So these words are called objects. Okay. Now see one more point related to object. See this note. The object is a part of the predicate. You all know about subject and predicate. Okay. And so object is a part of the predicate. Predicate का एक part है. Okay. So this is a very important point. The object is a part of the predicate. यानी predicate का कौन क्या part है? Object. Object predicate का एक part है. So this was your verbs. Like, what do you mean by verbs? What is the object of the verb? What are subject, objects? Okay. Now coming to next B part, that is kinds of verb. Kinds of verbs यानी क्रिया के प्रकार. So there are basically two kinds of verbs. So there are basically how many kinds of verbs? There are two kinds of verbs. The first is your transitive verbs. The first is your transitive verbs and second is your intransitive verbs. Okay. So what we have learned right now, there are two main kinds of verbs. That is, the first one is your transitive verbs and the second one is your intransitive verbs. So coming to the first one, transitive verbs. Verbs that require objects to complete their meaning are called transitive verbs. Verbs that require objects to complete the meaning is called transitive verbs. Okay. See, now the question arises, how will you differentiate between the two, the transitive and the intransitive? मतलब आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे कि वो जो पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस है वो ट्रांजिटिव है या इंट्रांजिटिव है? सो इट्स देयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू नोट. सी व्हाट इज द नोट ओवर हेयर. कैसे आप आइडेंटिफाई करो, कैसे पहचानोगे कि जो पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस है वो आपका ट्रांजिटिव है या इंट्रांजिटिव है? सो टू आइडेंटिफाई अ ट्रांजिटिव सेंटेंस जस्ट आस्क व्हाट और whom क्वेश्चन. एक ट्रांजिटिव सेंटेंस को पहचानने के लिए बेटा व्हाट और whom का क्वेश्चन पुट अप करो. जस्ट आस्क व्हाट और whom क्वेश्चन, so that will help you to identify a particular transitive sentence. For example, see the example beta. See example number 1. Suhani received the prize. So this is the whole sentence which is having the subject and the object also. Now see, Suhani received the prize. If you are if you ask a question, Suhani received what? सुहानी ने क्या रिसीव किया? क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने. If you are getting the answer, see, Suhani received what? So your answer will be the prize. Suhani received what? And the answer is the prize. So this sentence is a transitive sentence. हमें यहाँ पे what का जवाब मिल गया. When I am asking a question, अगर आप अपने आप से what का या फिर whom का क्वेश्चन करते हो उस सेंटेंस को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, और अगर आपको what या whom का जवाब मिल जाता है, that means that particular sentence is your transitive sentence and that particular verb is your transitive verb. अब इस सेंटेंस पे if you see Suhani received the prize, ask the question to yourself, Suhani received what? क्या रिसीव किया सुहानी ने? So I am getting the answer, the prize. Suhani received the prize. So this means this sentence is your transitive sentence and received is your what? Received is your transitive verb. Okay. Now coming to second example. I bought a car. I bought a car. Again ask the question to yourself. I bought what? मैंने क्या खरीदा? So my answer is a car. I bought what? मैंने क्या खरीदा? So I am getting the answer very easily. A car. I bought a car. So this sentence also a transitive sentence and bought is your transitive verb. Okay.